I want to tell you the real story of my Forex trading journey. It is not a fairy tale. It is not a quick success story. It is a story of many mistakes, many nights of worry, and slowly learning how to be better. My story began in 2019. At that time, my life felt boring and heavy. I was working a normal job. Every morning I woke up early with the same clothes, took the same bus, worked all day, came back tired, ate a simple dinner, and went to sleep. Every day felt the same. I looked at my salary and felt it was too small. Sometimes at night, I lay in bed and stare at the ceiling, thinking, is this my life forever? Work, pay bills, sleep, and repeat until I'm old. One night after work, I was scrolling on YouTube. I found a video about Forex trading. The person in the video said I could make money from my phone. He showed charts, numbers moving, profits going up. He said people could work from anywhere in the world and live free. I watched carefully. Something in me woke up. I thought, why am I suffering in this job when I could do this instead? That same night, I downloaded an app called MetaTrader 4. I opened a demo account. I did not know what I was doing, but I pressed buy and sell buttons. The numbers moved. When the numbers went up, I smiled. When they went down, I frowned. But many times they went up and I made fake money. In just a few days, my demo account was growing fast. I told myself, this is easy. I am smart. I found the secret. After only 1 week, I felt I was ready. I told myself, I don't need demo anymore. I can do this for real. I deposited $100. That was not small money for me. It could buy food for weeks. But I was confident I could grow it into thousands. My first live trade was a win. I made $15 in just a few minutes. I felt powerful. I thought, if I can make 15 in minutes, I can make 100 in 1 day. That is 3,000 in 1 month. Soon I will quit my job. The next day, I entered another trade. This time I didn't use stop loss. I didn't even know why I should. The market went against me. I stared at my phone, sweating. My hands were shaking. My heart beat so fast. I hoped it would turn around. I refused to close, but the market kept falling. I lost $40 in one trade. I sat there in silence, shocked. By the end of the week, my $100 was gone. I blew the account. That night, I lay in bed with my phone on my chest, staring at the dark ceiling. My chest felt heavy. I thought, maybe this is not for me. Maybe my parents are right. Maybe this is gambling. But another voice in my head whispered, no, you can do this. You just need to try again. That was the beginning of my obsession. I joined Telegram groups that gave free signals. I copied them, but I was always late or too scared. Sometimes I won, sometimes I lost. Then I paid $50 for a VIP signal group. That was almost half of my savings, but I thought, this will finally make me rich. But it didn't. Even when the signals worked, I failed. I entered too late. I used too much leverage. Or I closed too early because I was scared. Day by day, I was losing money. I became restless. I would wake up in the middle of the night to check trades. I even set alarms at 2 a.m. because the group said a signal would come. I sat in my dark room, eyes red, waiting for a message. Sometimes a signal came. I placed a trade, and it went wrong. I lost money in the dark. Afterward, I sat in the kitchen with a cup of tea, staring at the table, feeling empty inside. In just a few months, I blew 3 accounts. Around $300 was gone. That money could have helped me so much in real life. My parents noticed. My dad shook his head and said, "This is gambling." My mom asked softly, "Are you being scammed?" I didn't know what to say. Deep inside, I knew they were right. The way I was trading, it was gambling, but I couldn't quit. Something in me said, "This will work. You just need to learn." So I stopped trading for some time. I bought a beginner course. It was simple but powerful. I learned about leverage, risk management, stop loss, and take profit. The most important part was psychology. The course explained that emotions destroy traders. Greed, fear, impatience, these are the real enemies. That lesson stayed in my heart. I returned to demo trading, but this time with a plan. I practiced drawing support and resistance. I practiced trend lines. I practiced using stop losses. I practiced waiting for the right moment, not just clicking. Slowly, my demo account grew. Months later, I tried again with $200 real money. At first, I followed my rules. I made small profits. I felt calm. But one day I got greedy. I risked too much. The market went against me. I lost a big part of my account. In just a few days, it was gone. But this time, I didn't cry. I didn't feel blind. I knew why I lost. It was not the market. It was me. That was progress. I bought a notebook and made a trading journal. After every trade, I wrote why I entered, where my stop loss was, how I felt, and what happened. The journal showed me the truth. My biggest enemy was not Forex. My biggest enemy was myself. Fear made me close good trades early. Greed made me hold bad trades too long. Boredom made me take trades that had no reason. When I saw this clearly, I knew what to fix. I deposited $300 again. This time I made strict rules. Risk only 1% per trade. Always use stop loss. Don't trade when tired or bored. Don't chase signals. Don't revenge trade after a loss. That month, for the first time, I ended in profit. I grew $300 to $420. It was not a lot, but it was proof. I could do this. I could win if I stayed disciplined. But the journey was still not smooth. Some months I won, some months I lost. Some days I couldn't sleep after a bad trade. I would stare at the ceiling, my phone glowing beside me, feeling regret. Some mornings, I didn't want to open the app because I was scared of seeing a loss. But there were good moments too. I remember waking up one morning, checking my phone, and seeing I had made $30 while I was sleeping. I smiled so big, I danced quietly in my room. My parents wondered why I was so happy with my phone. There were bad moments too. One day, I lost $100 in one trade. I sat on the floor, head in my hands. I didn't eat dinner. I just drank water and went to bed with an empty stomach. This was my life for many months. Up and down, smiling one day, sad the next. But I kept going. I read books. I watched serious traders on YouTube. I stopped chasing fast money. I stopped dreaming of doubling my account in one day. I started thinking long term. My new goal was simple: survive and grow slowly. Now, after more than 3 years, I can say I am finally profitable. I am not rich. I don't drive a sports car, but I am consistent. I can pay my bills with trading. I can save money. I no longer blow accounts. When I look back, I see the lessons clearly. Protect your money. Never risk too much. Don't waste money on signals. Learn to trade yourself. Control your emotions. Be patient. The market will always be here. That is my story. From blowing accounts and being called a gambler to becoming disciplined and consistent. If you are new to Forex, don't believe quick money promises. Take your time. Learn slowly. Accept losses. Don't give up. If you keep going, you will get better. And since this is YouTube, if you enjoyed listening to my story, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. Tell me about your own trading journey. Your support means a lot, and I will share more stories with you soon.